Welcome back to Panther Wave Life, rolling in the Crown Vic. I appreciate you tuning in for another tip of the day. First step, remove keys from ignition. Second step, disconnect batteries and remove terminals. Third step, connect jumper wire from positive to negative and make sure it's tight. Fourth step, remove cable from positive side and negative side. Fifth step, reconnect positive first and then negative and tighten up the cable nuts. Final step, turn the key about 3 times, cycle it. And then do a full start. And let it idle for about 20 minutes. And during this time, you can go ahead and reset your clock and radio settings.